All right. So, what does pure mean? Pure means one substance. That's it. There's nothing else there except this one single substance. Okay? Impurity means there is a mixture. That means there is something else there apart from that one substance. You understand that? How do we know that there's one substance there? Its melting point or boiling point is fixed, or you can say sharp. Now, if you have impurities in there, your melting point will decrease and your boiling point will increase. Those are the effects of impurities inside here. Then the next one, like I said, reasons why we want something to be pure. The best examples are food. If there's some impurity in there, it can cause food poisoning, okay? And medicines. Because if your medicine has some impurity in there,
that's a whole other.
I don't want that. I need to know what you're going to write in the exam.
If medicine is impure, it can cause
Allergy, illness, death, stuff like that. Make sure you know what you're going to write. No point you shake your head and say to me, that's so bad. They don't want to know about that's so bad in the exam. So make sure you're clear about these two. Okay? And then finally we come to all the separation techniques. You need to know examples of the separation techniques and how we want to separate. Okay? So, simplest one, number one, if you have ethanol and methanol, you're going to use how to separate?
So there are two
liquids
with different boiling points.
So you're going to use
Fractional distillation.
or simple distillation or fractional distillation. This because they have diff boiling points. Okay? Like that. What if you have two sugars? Now this is much more complicated.
But both soluble.
So you're going to use?
Two sugars, both soluble.
You're going to use chromatography. Right? So this kind of things you're going to use chromato. So sugar / amino acids, like that, you're going to use sugar. Now, you go back from your chromatograph to a pure substance. If you have a pure substance, your chromatograph should have
only
one spot, correct. And if it's not pure, you're going to have multiple spots. Okay?
All on different levels, right?
Different levels because they will separate. Okay. Then you have the simple thing. If you have an insoluble solid,
filtration.
so you're going to use filtration. Okay. If you have two liquids that are separated, like petrol and water,
you can use evaporation.
you're going to use decanting, where you take one liquid out first. Okay, you're taking a decant here like that.
Right, because they'll be on different levels.
Yes. Okay. What if you have a solution of copper sulfate?
Crystallization.
Yeah, no, but you can use here simple distillation.
Okay.
Yeah, better. Because what will happen in the simple distillation is the water is volatile because its boiling point is only 100. Boom, the water will disappear and all your copper sulfate will be left behind. Yeah, you can use crystallization, but simple distillation better. Yeah, normally crystallization, seawater would be the example. Okay, but you can use crystallization here also.
But it'd be better to say simple distillation.
Well, I mean, it's just a faster and more effective way of doing it. Okay, and then this whole idea is we want to get the pure substance back. Okay?
Yep.
Clear? Alright, now you know what to do. Go to the chapter, go through it with your finger, speed read through it, make sure anything you understand, once you understand it, tick it, don't understand, Put an X there, then we go back through the chapter and stuff. Try and find things that you've seen questions about that got you before.
Right.
Okay.